Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we will talk about the affiliate program of Payhip. So let me take you to the website, which is payhip.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Payhip is an e-commerce platform designed for creators, educators, coaches, and entrepreneurs to sell digital products, online courses, membership, coaching services, and physical products. The platform handles payment, weight and sales tax collection, file delivery, memberships, and affiliate management, making it popular among independent creators worldwide. So, what are you waiting for? Come to the website, explore all about them. If you are a creator and if you want to start using them, go ahead with it. You can come to the pricing section and see what they offer. There's a free plan. However, for that, you have to pay 5% transaction fee. Or you could go with Plus plan where 2% transaction fee is there, or Pro where no transaction fee is there, but there's a monthly payment of $99. So that's up to you which plan you want to go with. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Payhip. How do we do that? As usual, we join the affiliate program of Payhip, we start promoting them to our audience, to our traffic, and when we bring sales to them, we will end up receiving commission. So affiliates from which country can join the affiliate program of Payhip, and to the consumers of which country can they promote in order to receive commission? No restrictions found. So regardless of your location or the location of your consumers, you would still be able to receive commission depending on the revenue you generate for Payhip. So let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, once you're on their website, you can come to the footer section. Over here, you can click on partner program. It will take you to the affiliate program page of Payhip. You may call it affiliate program or partner program page, one and the same thing. Once here, you can start reading more about it. Why join their partner or rather affiliate program? It's an opportunity to join at the beginning of an amazing partner program journey. And if you see here, a partnership with a mission, become a true partner, lifelong recurring commission. Now that is amazing and unlimited earning potential. So here's how the partner program works. You sign up, you share with your audience, with your traffic, with your consumers, and you earn. You will receive 50% recurring commission for every person who sells on Payhip through your affiliate link. That means whatever revenue Payhip will generate, you're gonna get 50% of that as commission. That's very generous. How much could you earn? So assuming you brought 10 free sellers to them, 10 plus sellers to them, and 10 pro sellers to them, and assuming they make the sales of 1,000 each on all the plans, then the revenue of Payhip will be $500, $490, and $990 respectively, and you're gonna get 50% of that revenue. That makes it $990 per month. That's amazing. So like this, you can come to this page, the partner program page. I'm going to mention the link in the video description. Check out your earning potential. And then if you scroll down, how do you succeed with them? So you get partner dashboard, you get recurring commission, you get monthly payment, and that is via PayPal. And then marketing materials as well, market creativity, and wide appeal. And if you scroll down, there are some frequently asked questions as well that you can read for better understanding. In case if you have any more question that isn't covered in these FAQs by me, you can write an email to them at this email address and expect to receive a response from them. All right, so you have read it all. Now you want to sign up for their affiliate or rather the partner program. How do we do that? Once you're on the partner program page, you would be able to see partner dashboard login. This is the link which will allow you to log in to your partner dashboard. However, if you want to sign up, you want to click on become a partner and it will take you to the sign up page. Over here, you have two options. You can continue with any Google account or you can type in the details. Just for the demo, I'm going to go with continue with Google. Once you click on it, it will ask you to select your Google account and you can complete the authentication and it will take in the details accordingly. After the successful authentication, it will remove the password fields from here because you basically are connecting your account with your Gmail account. Otherwise, if you don't want to connect like this, you can also give your email address followed by the password, and of course you can expect to receive a verification email too. Let's start with the first name. All the information that I'm going to mention here are dummy just for the educational purpose. In your case, ensure you write the details accurately so that you continue to have access to that partner dashboard. I'm going to mention the first name as shown. You can type in your first name. Followed by that, you can mention your website, Instagram URL, YouTube URL, Twitter URL. Now, let's say you do not have a website. You might have a social media page. that you don't even see here. Let's say you might have a TikTok page and you intend to promote them there. You can simply put in the URL here. I mean your TikTok page profile in here. Same goes for Instagram, YouTube, or Twitter. Now, just for the demo purpose, let's say I intend to promote them on YouTube. And since that's not a website, I'm still going to put it in here as my website. And I can also put the same link in here as YouTube URL. So assuming if you have an Instagram profile where you intend to promote them, maybe just put the website URL here as Instagram profile URL, and the same should be here as well. Then how would you promote the products? So you can talk about yourself, your business plan. This is extremely important and that will help you in getting the approval from them. Just for the demo purpose, I'm going to mention some dummy text in here and show you write something good about you. And then you agree to receive email notification like when you earn a commission and other important emails regarding the affiliate program. Tick mark it yes and click on sign up. Once you do that, it will take in all the details and register you, and of course will take you to Payhip program dashboard. Over here we're going to cover each and every section, but let's start with what we see on the top right hand side. So you click on your name. From the drop down you can click on profile settings. Over here you can look at the right hand side. You can start updating your social links wherever you intend to promote them or the products. Ensure that you add your social links here correctly. Then if you look at the left hand side, you can update the user details. You can change the image from here, maybe put in the image of your social media profile or maybe the logo of your website. That's up to you. You also have an option to update your first name, last name, of course, email address, given website, company name, company number, country, phone number, web ID, address, time zone, and of course you could choose the kind of text form and upload it here. And if you look at the right hand side, just below social link section, you'll be able to see change password. Through here, you can change your password, and you can also click on view agreement to read the agreement. If you ever want to delete your account with them, simply click on click here to delete your account, and you can proceed further. Now, click on your name again from the top right hand side. You can see notification settings. So you can click on notification settings and you can update your notification preference here accordingly. If you ever want to sign out, simply click on your name again and click on sign out. All right, so this is how you can update your profile settings and you can update the notification settings too. Now let's go back to the home section, but as you can see, nothing from here is clickable. So what I'll do, I'll directly go to partner.payhip.com. It will take me to the home page, and over here you would be able to see very limited details. And you can see your application is pending. You'll receive an email if your application is approved. So at this stage, your application has been sent to the Payhip affiliate program team, or rather the partner program team. They'll see all the information you have given during the registration process or while updating the profile settings from here, and will finalize whether you're a good fit for them or not. And based on that, they could give you the approval. It could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks time. Once you have been approved, you'll be notified via an email, and the email will also have your tracking link. More on it shortly. Assuming you get the approval, then how exactly the dashboard would look like? The good thing is I have already received the approval from them, of course, on my different account. So let me sign out from here and let me log in through that account. So this is how it looks like once you have received the approval from them. Now let's cover each and every section so you know how to operate Payhip Partner Dashboard. For that, let me start with assets. So you can click on assets. Over here, you would be able to see different available assets for Payhip. Let's say you have a website, so you might want to download this image and integrate it on your website or blog. However, just integrating this image will not harm your customer, your audience, your traffic as your referrers. You have to ensure you're using your tracking link. This is extremely important. So in case, even if you're using assets from here, you have to ensure you're integrating it with your tracking link, or you also have an option to directly share your tracking link. That's up to you. So from where do you get your tracking link? As I was talking about it, you can get it from the email you have received, or you can come to the home section once again. And if you look at here, referral link, you'll be able to find your referral link in here. You can also create a new link. Let's say you want to create a tracking link for the marketplace so that you can start promoting different products available at Payhip. So you can copy this URL. Over here, you can click on a new link and give it a name, put in the URL. So I have put in the URL of marketplace. I'm going to name it as marketplace. And if I want to add sub ID, which is For subtracking, you can add anything. Let me just do test for your reference, and then you can click on add. So this way you can create your new tracking link. And as you can see, this is the default tracking link, and this is the other tracking link that I have created. I can copy it from here. I can directly share it on my Twitter account or X account, or I can also share it on my Facebook account. Same way you can get your tracking link. That's up to you if you want to share this link individually or if you want to integrate it using assets. Now, all the people that you will refer to Payhip, you will be able to find them within refer section. So if you click on refers from here, you can choose the state from here between active paying, sign up, lead, and cancel. And here you will be able to see all those details. Again, the details related to your refers. All right, so you learn how to get your tracking link along with the assets. The next question is, where can you promote them? There are many ways, but still I'm gonna cover a few. One is website or blog. It doesn't matter whatever kind of website or blog you got, so long as you got the approval from them, you can start promoting them anywhere on your website or blog. Maybe the homepage, maybe category page, that's up to you. You might want to create content related to digital product, creator economy, or online business. And of course, you want to promote Payhip over there. Then you got social media. Now, social media can be great here. You might want to promote them on YouTube by creating videos or shorts. Then you also got TikTok. You could create reels and, of course, maybe talk about different products available at Payhip. And then you also got Instagram. So you might want to create reels on Instagram as well. You also got X or Twitter, then Facebook as well. Especially on Facebook, you might want to target creator communities. Whatever content you're creating on social media, it's giving you a lot of options for the content. However, with that content that you create on social media, ensure you're putting your tracking link. That's extremely important. Then you also got online business website. Now these kind of websites are great suited for brands like Payhip because people come to these kind of website to actually buy the available options, correct? So if you feature Payhip on these website, it could work in your favor as well. Apart from it, there are other kind of websites as well that are best suited for Payhip, such as Creator Tools website, Digital Products website, or Course Creator website. In case if you have such a website available, you might want to start promoting Payhip there. So these are some of the ways you can promote Payhip, but there's a problem that most of the affiliates face, and that's about getting the right traffic. Promoting is one thing, but getting right traffic is another thing. So I got top 3 traffic sources of Payhip. One of the way is YouTube. You might want to create tutorials on creator economy and digital product and maybe slide in the products available at Payhip or directly Payhip. That's up to you. And then you also got Google SEO. So whatever kind of content you're creating, wherever you're creating, ensure you're keeping it Google SEO friendly. You might want to target keywords like selling digital product or online courses. Then you got Pinterest and creator communities. So you might want to share your content on Pinterest or any of the creator communities tool. And basically this content of yours should target course creators, coaches, and digital entrepreneurs. And of course, with that content of yours, you can slide in your link too. And this way you could get the traffic. Through these traffic sources, you can directly lead people to Payhip or any of the digital product available at Payhip, or you can directly take them to your website, your online presence. This way you will get the right traffic and they will turn into a better conversion and of course more revenue generation for Payhip, resulting into you getting better commission. All right, so you started bringing traffic to Payhip and of course revenue. There should be a way for you to check the performance, correct? For that, you can come to the partner dashboard once again. Once you're here, you can click on home and over here you can look at this quick stats bar. As you can see, number of clicks, number of refers, and customers. And if you want to have more detail, you can click on reports, you can click on overview, you can choose time frame, and you would be able to see your earnings, clicks, sign up, customer details. And like this, you can also run your links type report and of course traffic sources report and sub IDs report as well for your understanding and to know how exactly you're performing. And to see the commission generated so far, you can click on commission and over here, you would be able to see the commission. And all the payout that will ever be issued to you, you can click on payouts and over here you will see the payout terms, monthly, net 30, The month's commission will be paid next month on 30th if the payout amount is over $50. Now, this is the minimum payment threshold. However, for you to receive the generated commission, ensure you have updated your payment method. To update your payment method, you simply click on Set Payout Method, and over here you can choose PayPal. That's the only available payment option. Given your PayPal email address, click on Add, and that's it. Your PayPal account has been integrated to Payhip account, and then you can expect Payhip to send commission to you. I mean, the accumulated commission. Apart from it, you can also come to the homepage and you can see due in 3 days, like how much commission is due, total unpaid commission you'll be able to see, and total paid commission as well. And if you scroll down, you would be able to confirm your commission rate as well, which is 50% lifetime recurring commission. You also got frequently asked question. If you click on show more, anything that isn't covered in this video, you would be able to explore this section and you'll be able to find the answer. Alright, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Payhip. You apply to them, you get the approval, start promoting them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Payhip. And as an affiliate, if you want to learn, if you want to grow, there are some amazing resources that I have created for you. They are free as well as premium resources. Check out the video description and see if you want to get any of those resources. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.